Okay guys, today I discovered this. I'm surprised because I'm not expecting one of our rabbit to give birth here at this part of area in this housing, because it is actually not a hole but it's just in the side of the housing. Okay, so the area here is quite not safe for our kids because we have so many small debris here that can cause, I don't know, maybe that can cause our rabbits to become uncomfortable. And also we have here this, it can cause them to strangle in this net. So we're going to clean this. We're not going to transfer this because these rabbits, were not going to transfer this to other place because I don't know, the mother might not locate them. And also when you have these kids, do not touch them with your bare hands because the mother might not recognize them because of the smell. Okay, they have their mother instinct. They recognize their own kids or bunnies. Okay, so we're going to remove this because it's dangerous for a rabbit. Okay, so okay, and we will remove other things that can cause, or that is dangerous to the rabbit. Okay, so the net is removed. So we're going to put this piece of wood here so that they will not be affected by direct sunlight. Okay, and then there you go. There, I think that's good. Okay, and I will make you an update for the progress every day. Okay guys, bye.